Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar. This is a single brand advent calendar and we have been so lucky to have been sent this by the L'Occitane team in Australia for us to unbox and review together. They also sent some really cute goodies, these little baubles, which we will also go through after we unbox the calendar. Now this is of course the 2023 classic L'Occitane advent calendar. But before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you will be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. Today we will be unboxing the 2023 classic L'Occitane advent calendar. Now last year I actually got both the deluxe and the classic size. Was super happy with both of them. I must say though that I am a fan of all things L'Occitane, so I am really excited to see what they have in store for us this year. This is a single brand advent calendar and it's valued at over $222.50 Australian dollars and retails for 120 Australian dollars. So this year, L'Occitane released again a deluxe and a classic size. Now this one is the classic size, so we are expecting a lot more minis in here. But if you're looking for one with a lot more full sizes, then I do recommend the deluxe size instead. I will link both of them below for you to check out. So there's meant to be one full size product and 23 minis in here. The box design is actually super cute. It has a little pop-up in the middle here and all your products on either side here. So very excited. Let's start with number one. On day one, we have the mini Effervescent cube for bath. This is 18 grams. It's got essential oils of mint, pine, and rosemary. This is perfect for a soak in the bath. This is one of the cubes that dissolve and I really love bath time, so this will definitely come in handy. Day two is the mini citrus verbena body milk. This one is 35 mils and it has lemon and essential oil and grapefruit extract. So this range is actually one of my favorites. I love the scent and it's very citrusy and fresh. Moving on to day three, we have the mini cherry blossom bath and shower gel. Now the cherry blossom range is actually also one of my favorites from L'Occitane. If you really like something sweet and florally, you will love this one. This is 35 mils and it's a great gentle shower gel, but can also be used as a foaming bath. Next is day four and we have the mini Verbena soap with verbena leaves. Now this one is 25 grams and again, the verbena range just smells so amazing. I really love how fresh and citrusy it smells. This would work great as a hand soap or for traveling. On the fifth day, we have the mini overnight reset oil in serum. This one is 5 mils and it's actually one of their most famous products. It sells one every minute worldwide. I've actually tried this one before and it actually works wonders overnight. I definitely recommend this for anyone looking for a great overnight serum. Day 6 is the mini Osmanthus hand cream. This is 10 mils and another great travel size. Just like all the hand creams, this one is enriched with shea butter. Now this one has a very light, creamy floral fragrance. On to day 7, we have the mini milk concentrate. Now this is 20 mils and it's their best-selling firming body cream. It's enriched with almond oil and incredibly hydrating on your skin. So I have used this one before together with their gua sha for body and it feels so amazing on the skin. It smells amazing as well and it's not sticky. Moving on to day 8 and we have the mini Verbena shower gel. Again, this smells amazing. You already know I love the Verbena range. It's just, there's nothing more to say. This one is 30 mils and I actually already used this shower gel. It's super refreshing and has a nice citrus lime scent. Next we have day 9 and we have the mini perfumed shower cream. This one's a little bigger at 75 mils and I've actually never tried this particular shower cream before. It's actually got a really nice fruity and floral scent. Day 10 is the mini light comforting cream and this one is 5 mils. This cream is one of my favorites because it's super lightweight and no sticky finishes. This one still has the shea butter in it, but it's great for normal to combination skin. We are on to day 11 and we have the mini Barbotine perfumed soap. I'm actually not familiar with this product. This one is 50 grams. It's made with sunflower and coconut oil for a gentle cleanse. Next is day 12, and we have the Mini Immortelle Divine Youth Cream. This one is 4 mils and it's one of their best-selling face creams. It targets wrinkles. This is great for reducing fine lines, firming the skin, and hydrating it. I've used this one and really love it. We are over the halfway mark, and on day 13 we have the Mini Dry Skin Hand Cream. This is their best-selling hand cream and it's sold every 3 seconds worldwide. It is, of course, filled with shea butter. The texture of this one is super creamy and it is filled with honey, almond extracts, and coconut oil. This one is 10 mils and it's specifically great for dry skin. Day 14 is the Mini Intensive Repair Shampoo. I actually really like this shampoo range. It works wonders on my dry, damaged hair, and my scalp gets really irritated, and this one has no silicons and is very gentle on my scalp. This is 35 mils, another great one for short travels. I also like that it has essential oils in it. Moving on to day 15, and we have the Mini Milk Extra Gentle Soap. I first tried this one last year from the Advent last year, and I'm actually a big fan of it. I really love creamy, milky soaps. This one is very rich in shea butter. It's actually a vegetable base as well. So this one is 25 grams and it actually comes in verbena and also the lavender scent, but I prefer the milk one. Next is day 16, and it is, a nail filer. So I think last year we got something like this size. It was actually a comb. So it's nice to see that they've changed it up a bit with the nail filer. Day 17 is the Mini Verbena Hand and Body Lotion. You already know this is going to smell amazing. This one is 30 mils and it's infused with grapeseed oil. On day 18, we have the Mini Immortelle Precious Eye Contour. This is 4 mils and has hyaluronic acid. So I have used this one before and I absolutely love it. This one is super lightweight and also fragrance free. It tackles dark circles and fine lines. We are on to day 19 and we have the Mini Almond Solid Shampoo. Now this one is 30 grams and it's actually only been a year since I started trying out solid shampoo bars, and I actually really like it. This isn't one I've tried before, but I've always been a fan of the almond range, so definitely keen to try this out. Day 20 is the Mini Citrus Verbena Shower Gel. This one is 35 mils. And of course, just like everything from this range, it smells amazingly fruity and fresh and very citrusy. It's also packed with lemon oil and grapefruit extract. On to the final stretch at day 21, we have the Mini Almond Delicious Hands. Now we did get this last year as the final product of the classic advent calendar, and I believe it was the full size. This one is 10 mils, but I have tried it since last year and I absolutely love it. This is their iconic hand cream that's packed with almond milk and almond oil. It definitely smells amazing and I really recommend you to try this product if you haven't already. Day 22 is the Mini Precious Facial Cream, which is 5 mils. This facial cream is actually a really good one. It targets enlarged pores and signs of aging. It's packed with all the goodness of antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. Second last day, and we have the Mini Intensive Repair Conditioner. Just like the shampoo we got earlier, this one is 35 mils and is packed with essential oils. So the last day we know is the full size, and last year we got the full size Almond Delicious Hands, and this year we have the full size Intensive Hand Balm. This is 50 mils and usually retails for 34 Australian dollars. This is the brand's most nourishing hand cream and is formulated for very dry skin. So as promised, we will be unpacking the little baubles as well. These are also part of the holiday range. So the first one is called the Mon Trio Essential Cherry Blossom Trio. Now there should be 3 products in here. We have the Cherry Blossom Shimmering Lotion, the Cherry Blossom Bath and Shower Gel, which we also got in the Advent. So yay, more of that. And also the Cherry Blossom Hand Cream. This one is actually really popular. People love this scent. I definitely think this one will sell like hotcakes because of the Cherry Blossom range being so popular. It's also really cute that this small bauble can be hung on your tree. So the second bauble that we received is the Montrio Essential Almond Trio. So I'm expecting 3 almond products in here. Let's check it out. The first one is the almond shower oil. I have tried that, love it so much. It's just very different to try a shower oil versus your normal shower gel. So definitely recommend this for someone trying to try the range, the almond range. The second one is the mini almond delicious hands. Again, we have actually got one here in the advent. So yay, more almond hand cream. And the last product is the almond milk concentrate. So again, we did receive that in the advent, but here's a smaller travel size as well. All really great products from the almond range, especially this shower oil. I cannot recommend it enough. So this is the 2023 L'Occitane Classic Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Now, last year I actually got to review the deluxe size as well as the classic, but this year I am only reviewing the classic size for L'Occitane. Now, this does really offer a variety of products for L'Occitane, so I think it's a great advent for those wanting to try different products out. Now, given that it is a classic size advent calendar, it is expected that there was only going to be minis or travel size products, except for the final product, which we know is the full size. Now, apart from that, it did really offer a great range of skincare, hair care, and body care products. If you're looking for a calendar that offers more full-size products, I definitely recommend you to check out their deluxe calendar instead. Now, the classic advent calendar here is still so much fun. I think it's little treats that you get to open up every single day of December leading up to Christmas. Now, I also want to take the opportunity to thank the Australian L'Occitane team for sending us these products for us to unbox together. If this is the calendar for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it, but I will also leave a link for the deluxe advent too if you want that one. Now, as you know, all advents are limited, so I would get one soon if you really want it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!